Thursday. Of course it is Thursday. Really?
You are completely soaked.
The SUV helped?
Is Lodge yourself one?
The SU.
Do you want a towel?
Do you have a towel?
Brennan?
Nice towel?
It was a gift.
From who?
A dignitary.
Hey, you forgot your...
Keep it.
I don't even know your name. She remembered. She actually came back.
This is ZooCloud. ZooCloud is a productive team of AI specialist agents, each an animal expert in its own field, that actually gets your everyday tasks done. No prompts, no setup, just pick one and hand off the work. Today, we are introducing one of those agents, Vibe Drama. So what is Vibe Drama? If you're hanging around with TikTok or YouTube, you might notice that there are plenty of the AI drama shows, just like this one. Yeah, like this ex-husband regrets. Hey, I'm not judging the content. I'm just saying they are on trending. People love the drama shows, especially when it keeps short. But watching those dramas are quite enjoyable, but making them are different. It took me a whole night to make one drama. And today we are going to introduce ZooCloud, which is a smart agent that can help you to simplify the journey to making your first drama show. Okay, let's go. So in order to use this, we need to log in. So just click here, open ZooCloud. Yeah, and now we are in. FYI, when you're hovering the homepage of the ZooCloud, this is the link. So when you open it, you can find a lot of TV shows here. And when you click each one, you can find the full prompt of this drama, and you can copy the prompt directly, make by your own, or directly click here, recreate in ZooCloud. Yeah, simple as that. When you click this button, you will start to recreate this story. You might make tweaks on it. For example, this werewolf you can change to like Lion Man or something like that, as long as it makes people feel interesting. And you got a lot of TV shows that you can remix. But instead of the remix the TV show, today I want to try something by myself. Let's create one by our own. Very original. And if you write your prompts in a documentation, you can also upload from here. If you have a photo of yourself or if you just generated the characters, you can also attach the file from here. So let's type our first prompt. Okay, this is what comes to my mind immediately. I'm married to the queen. I just keep it short and let's see if AI can help me to expand the story to enrich the contents. Okay, let's go. So now I'm just sending my script to the agent and waiting for the response. Okay, now our cloud is helping us to enrich the story and the conflicts act structure. I just give it away to AI, ask AI to do his magic. So now we have chapter 1. Our story got enriched and we are generating some dialogues. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, I got goosebumps. Check out this. This is professional. Now we are in professional hands, I say. You know, the dialogue. Okay, now we have our script. So maybe it's time to make some character designs. Oh, I found this AI specialist hub. So when you click here, you can pick up your agents. Some are for the drama making, some are for different purposes. For example, like the presentation master, stock master, fitness master, and this cute kitten called Soulmate. And you got so many. That's why it's called ZooCloud. You can find different agents for your different specific problem, and they can help a lot. Okay, let's copy all the text. And instead of using our assistants, let's try this vibe drama. Let's copy our script from our assistant to here and send. You can directly use our web drama guy to help you to do the rest. I use the assistant to help me with the script, but you can skip that. You can directly use our web drama guy to help us with the script. And now vibe drama is typing. Oh, that's good. So now I think I'm go with 3. I need to script this into a short drama episodes. Okay, now I think we have our episode script. Let's type continue. Okay, now we are generating the 4 different episodes of our drama show called I'm Married to the Queen. Alright, let's go. Phrase 4 is the art style lock. And his pick is hyperrealism style. Okay? Because we are the boss of this TV show, we just need to say yes or no, give our opinions. If you don't have anything in your brain, you just say okay, just like me. Okay, now we have a character appearance confirmation. So now we have a Marco guy. Marco is our main character. And Ilara, this is Queen's name. Okay. I was just worried about this Vodoria, if this is a real country. So I said, please use a make-up name of this country. And AI says, oh, okay, I got it. This is already a made-up kingdom. So we're good here. And now AI just set up 3 sub-agents. So we are waiting for the result. All right, we are generating some artboards of each characters. Oh, this looks really nice and evil. And says, are you happy with those designs or want to tweak anything? Oh, good. Please make videos. Or what next in your mind? And now we are locked our aspect ratio and the quality. Hey, so now we are generating our settings and we have a list to conform. So all the assets are ready. Let's go. Now we are ready. Let's say fire. This is what my AI asked me to do. Okay, after several minutes, we are receiving those video clips. You can click here to preview if you want. This is so vivid, man. I could watch this all day.
Nice. It was a gift.
From who?
Ooh,
A dignitary.
pretty, I say. 3 is down, 1 to go. Beat 4 is the last one. Should be any second now. And what about this one?
Thursday. Of course it is Thursday. Really?
You are completely soaked.
The SUV helped?
Is Lodge yourself one?
The SU.
Do you want a towel?
Do you have a towel?
Brennan?
Hey, you forgot your...
Keep it.
I don't even know your name.
Oh my god, I just asked AI to merge them into one video so that I can upload this into our platform. So this is our episode 1 rain check. That's so cool, right? So now we can continue making more. We can get ready to make episode 2, a queen in sneakers. Okay guys, this is how you make a vibe drama on ZooCloud. I think this tool is quite amazing, and actually you got varieties of the choice to make in this tool. You can control the details of the show, and you can go viral. You can easily make money by publishing those virtual vibe drama. Alright, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content, and don't forget to check the link in the descriptions, and don't forget to check the ZooCloud vibe drama by yourself. It's really amazing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so much for today. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Take care.
Hey, hey! Don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.